Although the idea of Internet of Things was proposed in 1999, but after 2010, or we can even say after 2015, actually, this idea started to be implemented and Internet of Things started to be used in the different devices. And what is the Internet of Things? The simplest definition of Internet of Things is that the devices can communicate with each other. Previously, we used to have the computing machines and we used to operate them to do some work. Like we have laptop, we have mobile phone, we have desktop, we have other computing machines, and we are the one who are operating them, and we are using those computing machines to do some task or to do some work. While now in Internet of Things terminology, the devices will communicate with each other and they will be acting based on the other devices. In whatever the information they will receive from the other devices, they will act or they will take decisions based on that without the involvement of the human being. The main contribution of Internet of Things, just like you know the term driverless cars. In the driverless cars, that is actually going to be the main contribution by the AI. In AI, either using the machine learning, using image processing, using other stuff of AI, and over there how we are going, like how the cars will move automatically and how they will avoid the hurdles, how they will be aware that there is a car in front of them, what is the speed of that car, what is the speed of the cars which are coming behind them on the right side, left side. All these things will be monitored by the devices or the sensors connected with the vehicles. And those sensors are cameras as well as devices. They will capture the information from the environment, as well as they will be communicating with the other cars which are ahead of them or back of them or right, left. And after getting all these informations, they are going to apply the AI, and then those cars will be taking the decision by their own. So that is like one example of using Internet of Things for the driverless cars.